to my channel. So in this video I am so excited to be doing another Fashion Nova haul for you guys. I think I spent around like 300 bucks on everything. I will be telling you the sizing, the prices, what I recommend, what I don't recommend, and all of that. So, and I will be trying everything on for you as well. So I'm not going to keep rambling. Let's just jump right into the video. Okay, first item we're going to be talking about is jewelry, and I just want to get this out of the way because it is the only jewelry piece item that I purchased, and it is these hoop earrings. And I just want to say these are so beautiful. I believe these were maybe $7 max, and they have the silver jewelry, the silver rhinestones all the way around. But I just want to say my only complaint with these earrings is that if you can tell, they are super flimsy. I mean, when you have them on you can't really tell, but for me personally I feel like the quality of this is just so bad. But they are really pretty and super duper cute, so I don't know, I feel like it kind of outweighs, like you do get what you pay for, so I don't know. Okay, let's talk about clothing now. And I just want to say, just to give you a reference, me specifically, I am somewhere between like 127 and 130 pounds. I am 5'4", and I always normally wear either a size small or a size 4 in almost everything, and my bust is 34B. So the first thing we're going to be talking about is dresses. And if you have never purchased anything from Fashion Nova, all of their items come in like this little plastic bag, and it does say Fashion Nova on it. So this dress specifically is called the Full of Stripe shirt dress, and I specifically bought this for work, and I feel like this is such a cute dress that is really appropriate. So it is short sleeve, and it does have a belt, and the entire thing from back to front is striped, and I really like this because it is so comfy. Let me tell you guys the price. This was $19.99, so 20 bucks, and it is in the color blue. Obviously, what I really do appreciate with this dress is not only that it's really nice material, it's nice and soft, that it's not going to scratch my skin, and that's my number one thing, but I really do appreciate the length of it. It's not too short, but it's not too long, so again, I can really wear this for work as well as if I want to go out just for like brunch or something like that. So the second piece that we're going to be talking about is another dress, and this is called the Sip of a Wine dress. This is in the color taupe, and again in the size small. This was, how much was this? I believe it was like either 30 or 20 bucks, but again the material of this is so soft. It has the details of like buttons going all the way down, and in the front here it actually does have a little bit of a slit, but it's not too high or anything, so again you can wear this for work, and again it has the detail of the little bells. I'm so excited to share this layering piece with you guys. It is a trench coat, and I love this. First of all, it is so comfy and it doesn't scratch my skin, and it is long sleeve, and again it's so pretty. You can layer this over something, over a dress, and it just kind of dresses everything up. It does have the detail of a belt, so you can either tie it at the back or tie it in the front and make it close. This is so lightweight. It's again that perfect spring jacket. I will say again, this was somewhere between 20 to 34 bucks, but Fashion Nova always has 30% off, so on top of that include the 30% off of everything that I'm telling you guys. And this is in the size small. Love this jacket. Okay, so I cannot wait to wear this piece. This is a leather skirt, and I just want to say I have been on the hunt for the perfect leather skirt for such a long time. I keep buying them and they're just way too short, and I don't feel comfortable wearing them. This is like high-waisted. It's not too short, it's not too long, and it is so comfy. I don't feel like I'm suffocating in this. It's not too tight, it's not too loose. It kind of just hugs everything in, and it still gives you nice curves even though it is a leather skirt, because some leather skirts can sometimes make you look really boxy, but this one does not. I will say this is in the size small. It was $32.99, and this is called the Janella skirt. Again, I will be linking everything down below in the description box. Okay, let's move on to a bodysuit. This is more, I would say, lingerie than a bodysuit, but it is considered a bodysuit. And this is called the Somebody to Love Lace Teddy. This is in the size small, obviously in black, and this was $19.99. This is so pretty. I love to wear this with like some high-waisted jeans. That leather skirt and this on is going to look so sexy, but still really sophisticated. I will just say, if you are buying this, just know that the cup here, it's completely see-through, so you have to wear a black undergarment, something like that, to cover your, you know, your chest area. Unless that's the type of look you're going for, then that's totally fine as well. So really cute. I think this is a staple that everyone needs to have in their closet. Okay, this is another layering piece. This is like a cardigan type of Camino type of situation. It is so pretty and it's so comfy. It is all lace all the way to the bottom. It is short sleeve and it is see-through. This is called the What a Day Dream Camino. This is obviously in the color black, as well as the size small. It does have the detail of the string in the middle here, so you can kind of, you know, close it off and make it look really cute and sophisticated. This is just, again, another staple that I feel everyone should have. Okay, don't kill me, but I don't remember the name or the price of this specific piece, but it is just a regular t-shirt, super duper comfy crop top. It is short sleeve, and I just want to say this is an essential layering piece for every single person. It doesn't matter what your style is. What I really want to do with this shirt is actually buy the decal logo for Jack Daniels, put it in the the front of the shirt, cut out the sleeves as well as the bottom, and if you wear that with like some high-waisted like denim shorts with a cute little belt, I feel like that's just going to be like so cute. But again, if you don't even want to do that, just buy this shirt because I feel like it is so comfy and, again, an essential item. Okay, just like how I was on the hunt for the perfect leather skirt, I was on the hunt for the perfect leather jacket. And just a really quick story, I actually went to the the Woodbury or Westbury, something like that. They're like common outlet here in New York, and I went into Givenchy and I tried on one of their leather jackets, and I absolutely fell in love with this jacket, but the price was like $3,000, and I was like, ain't nobody paying $3,000 for a leather jacket, even though it is Givenchy and it was beautiful quality and the jacket was just absolutely stunning. But I wanted to find something that was literally a quarter of the price, probably less than that, and I have found it. This is called the, I believe, Remind Me Later Faux Leather. This is actually in the color red burgundy. This is so cute. It is the perfect, again, spring jacket. It's not too heavy, it's not too light, and it actually does keep you warm. I really do like it. It has the details of the belt at the bottom here and the zippers. These are actual pockets, which I don't understand why like fashion places, when they just make faux pockets. Like, do girls not need pockets? Like, we need pockets. Give me a pocket. I will just say this is the only thing that I got a size medium. Everything else was a size small. The reason why I got a medium was because I read the reviews and everyone was saying that it runs a little bit small, so go up a size, and I'm so happy that I went with a medium. These sleeves are literally the perfect length. It's not too long, it's not too short, and it's not like tight or restricting on me, so I absolutely love this jacket. Okay, let's move on to shoes because I only bought one pair, and I just want to say, like, these are so cute. These are called the What's the Time flats. These are obviously in the color leopard and in the size small. I will say that these do run true to size, so whatever size shoes you are, just buy those. These are so cute and they're so comfy. They actually do have a little bit of cushion here, which I really do appreciate. It makes it super duper comfy. To be honest, one of the reasons why I bought these shoes is because the front of it is closed, and that just means that I don't have to do a pedicure all the time and my feet don't have to look perfect. So these are super cute. Okay, so I did purchase a sports bra from Fashion Nova. This is called the Roxanne Premium Sports Bra. It is in the size extra small, and this is in the color wine. I will say I love the style of the sports bra, where the little details in the front as well as the crisscross at the back. The only thing I don't like about the sports bra is that it's not padded. I wish it was padded, and I guess that's my own fault. I probably should have read it, but besides the fact that it's not padded, I really love this. Okay, while we're in the category of comfy clothes, I did buy some leggings from Fashion Nova. These are called the Since Day One Seamless Leggings. This is obviously in the color black, and they don't have like sizes. This is just one size. I will say this is so comfy, and it actually does have like faux fur or something inside, so it actually is going to keep you really warm. I will be honest, I am not a leggings type of person. I personally don't find them very attractive, but these are so comfy. I wanted to buy leggings because I wanted something super comfy and warm when I travel, and this specifically is honestly perfect. And the most important thing for me here is that these are not see-through. I hate when people wear leggings and you can see your whole ass. Like, girl, cover it up. Don't do that. Last comfy item is actually a PJ set, and I'm so happy that I purchased this. This is called the Needs Attention Satin PJ set, of course in the color black and in the size small. This is super cute. Let me see the price. It says $69.99, but I guarantee you I did not pay that. So the top is a really cute tank. Again, this is satin. And then at the bottom, it comes with these super cute shorts. And it does have the string in the front and the little like lace detail at the back. I really like this. It is super duper comfy and I'm going to enjoy sleeping in these. I have 3 more items to get through and we are done. So this is called the Hey You Surplus Top. This is in the color taupe as well as in the size small. I probably paid like 20-25 bucks for this. This is so comfy. I again specifically bought this for work, and why I did was because it is nice and loose, but it's not too loose. It still gives you a little bit of a shape, and it has a little bit of a clip in the front. And I mean, you cannot clip it on and off, but the fact that it is perfectly positioned where it's not too high but it's not too low, like you still have a little bit of cleavage showing but not too much, which is basically, you know, the type of clothes that I like to wear, and it is short sleeve. Okay, I am so excited to share with you guys these pairs of jeans, and this is called the classic high-waisted skinny jeans. This is in the color dark denim as well as in the size small. Again, like I've said before, I'm normally a size 3 or 4 in anything, but with these jeans I have such good stretch that I personally recommend going a size down, because I like my jeans to be nice and tight and fitted and kind of like hug and suck everything in, and these jeans do just that. I don't know what is with it with like Fashion Nova jeans, but they just literally give you that perfect like hourglass shape, and these jeans do that for you. These were $34.99. Again, it was 30% off, so on top of that 30%. And again, these are just some classic high-waisted jeans. These are literally the perfect pair of high-waisted jeans you'll ever find. Alright guys, last item, and these are also another pair of pants. These are specifically for work, and these are so cute. These are called the Girl You Better Work pants. Very fitting. And these are in the size small as well as the color khaki. And what I love about these come all the way down to your ankle, so it doesn't come like completely all the way down, but it's like just stopping right at your ankle, and it comes with a belt. I love the fact that it comes with a belt. I don't have to go buy a separate belt to kind of match the color or anything. It's just absolutely beautiful. The detail of the gold on the belt is stunning. This is also, again, I think I said before, in the size small. It has really good stretch, but I would say stay true to your size, because for me personally, when I'm going to work, I don't want to wear anything that's super duper tight, but again, I still want to be comfy, so a size small was perfect for me. Alright guys, so this is the end of my Fashion Nova haul. I just want to say I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you guys go out and buy some of the things that I've bought. I will just say everything will be linked and listed down below in the description box, so if there's anything you want to buy, you have the link right there. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!